Welcome to KhattaMeetaStories. Let's try some flour biscuits. Beat 100 grams softened butter. To this add 50 grams powdered sugar and beat well. Add 100 grams Maida and mix well. Add 25 grams cornflour also into this mixture. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and a few drops of color of your choice and make a soft dough using hands. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to never miss an update. Transfer the dough into a piping bag and make flowers on a baking sheet. If your flowers doesn't come out smoothly, loosen the dough by adding little milk. I'm adding some chopped chocolates also. Bake at 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. If you do not have piping bags, you can make simple shaped biscuits also. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below.